ka say Nsoromma season final no bado oye kwesi dey na mo fra man hey last weekend enyi jebi pa o ka gino akoso mo na yasa kakra bo so ka kay ohonum nyina no ma abon bede ma cheche mo fon so mo kakra sa na ma so do akonti me ye hwe Nsoromma mo fra man no ho na nyu agya o ka je owo akoso mbo na embrace sia
say dear, Bibia to turn our quemo. Yeah, then Nsoromma season 7 finale no. Bramo quite strong koso. Kwesiada 9th of March 2025. Our West Hills Mall. Ebusia battle na yedi shisha abofra wode abasubo bodi ni be kofi no. Eno ene yedi awie ya na bro wine ene be ya champion no. Ebe ya Queen Asi, Aseda, Nani, Ohima Emily, Little Angel, Annie Cooper, Anan Star Boy, Jibre, Nebesha contestant. Past contestants no your surprise MOG Music
I'm Riverfront and guess what you buy I mean their services the way I'm welcoming you aduane no dey atata Africa me say boy yes you ready do ba fe dey e be call buffet mu Pro Max oh my goodness Afrikiko Riverfront for and I host here Adom Ahosepe or more off the Akosombo stretch no so if as real quick me saka manager na nkasa wa ha say ya yɛne ba twetwe nkomo kakra won se me manfo bi edidi aduane se me kan ne de puapua wa ha sale enya asem kuma akra obi ano aye busy manager or person make sure say nyina ye ho atoye e wa ha sa na oba ha wo treat you nti yɛne ne twetwe nkomo ye wi a workers na omode aduane ni puapua no ne ani bi akasa na me bosses ni bi akasa ne me mma no Nsoromma season 7 as we wrap it up. Oh God. Thank you, boss, for having us. Good evening.
Good evening.
Adom. You know, say you've been amazing because season 6, season 7, what's I be? Fabo, boza. Where guys too much. Your boss, why did you so?
Oh, at least connecting with you, it's a great plus at my end, and it has improved a whole lot of things at our place. Afrikiko is a place you make sure say you feel happy. Our slogan is come and feel the river. This is the only place what in you see every morning fish is coming for breakfast. It's so wonderful. If you are stressed off in Accra, this is the only place when you come, you'll be distressed. Before you leave here, everything is gone. You testify before you leave here tomorrow.
Yeah, na me man say, "Auntie, we dey better have me 3 months." And I'm say, I said, 3 months. Why just high and in fact, thank you once again for having us.
Now, only one secret: we love children so much because children are the people that will. Oh, mommy, last time we went to Afrikiko, it was nice. Mommy, let's go there. Until when we host them like this, they will make sure they will bring their parents in. So anytime that Nsoromma is on, we want to attach ourselves to you because children are people who will bring their parents here. And at the end of the day, the parents will come and spend.
Okay, one more because any hotels include the kids. Yabahasi our playgrounds are obini na busuane nkwala na ma the kids are not left out. Omenya baby dia grow pool ne kwa nkwala de na ompani for the whole playgrounds near there ene. Emi say me hu say buffet ne ne nkwala pinsu di mu a aduane so de chale. Aduane ma me sama makos reko. Mommy aduane ne de emi say wo di kra untwi break o.
Nsoromma yeshren I'm enjoying myself. When you first time mama ba because season 6 kind nearby na the reception alone is beautiful and I will share in no and I do say and you say Mr. Sampedu ebe ya aka me kwam kotna botum na makojim meni this time
solo movement
this time I don't punching if you say ocho maduane no do mu see welcome here buy cry no to say no man cry obi asum cry da kusi de mama you read them was a watch ele de that oh it is chilling now mo breakfast no lunch no me di fufuo ni ebunabunu kwan and na me de I first say omo aponchi cracker me de wall no and na almost a year friend saying snails who say uncle for snails ni ho and so ha oboa wo benye biedi Sunday oh, I mean, to us, mommy. To us, we know Afrikiko Riverfront na way every year. No, Nsoromma Ahosepe and Nkwalano because road to finals. Na yana Nkwalano my so tense. Inti aha na ye baba juju ye home. But my rooms na dey top notch. Uremwa
The rooms are very cozy. Me room na say, hey, na room name actually name hwehwehwam say. Mo boy adwuma ha say, "Oba ya meet me in that hotel be mu."
At least oba no krom yashi. So we want when you enter, oba feel say wabia baby.
Oh yeah, guy.
Me say we last year wo. Last year mobile ha no mo. Oba say yeah, that wedding we no ho no mo. This is a wedding if you want to have your wedding here outside Accra. This is the only place. The whole country we be ni ho no mo. I'm telling you.
No, obi hwaya by now no kwado. Na mo bo numbers no real quick. Ede beto ase. Ba say sisu biem no obi share by now pe be na busuan akọ relax. En kan ka broche for mobile holidays. Me we say obi nso here photo shoot for the wedding we in fact, this is the place to be because bibia wo ma wo rema you are not going out. But show my number no.
Yes, if
But your number near 02.
Into no, oh yeah, consider other here, and you may be sharing or West Hills Mall, not your crown and Nsoromma winner, no, them season, season 7 winner. Nimpa obo winner, no, ye nyakwan, ye winimpa no, ntibe you who from a cry, amrado, Baba Honom, Sisi Aron, or Tado, hottest artist, or Tado Papa, to the Bomazana share or ho, 92 and your emoji so over Baba Honom, to know yamo, a Yaminum Cacranona, yes, amrado solo one, high life, no, them, or Honom, Dizons and Bra. Na yen crown no yen winner me you from kwa yen je West Hills Mall by 6 na dwumezi no ahya into the be phone po no na edu honom na nya baby fine atna se exam hen sisi ara no Afripa phone so won fufu no wa ben e ya kwa sisi am wa monam kakra wa ha de Thomas nya mi sure wa papa into no fufu ne rere nkwan fufu ne rere nkwan mi beje won wa ha nya mi adoma ye besa na ye hia hyen fufu party 6th of March na brebeji was them ala wala you I had a besti na me adoma ye besa na ye hia macron one